Hi dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we will be discussing about the process of recruitment. What is the process of recruitment? Recruitment is a process of finding and attracting the potential resources for filling up the vacant position in an organization. It sources the candidates with the abilities and attitude which are required for achieving the objectives of an organization. The process of recruitment is finding and attracting the potential resources for fulfilling the vacant position in an organization. Which means, depending upon the requirement for the resources in an organization for a specific project, the recruitment process plays a vital role in finding and attracting the potential candidates required for the specific job positions. A proper recruitment process helps in sourcing the candidates with good attitude and good abilities which are very much required for the project, also in achieving the objectives of an organization. Recruitment process is also called as the process of identifying the job vacancy, analyzing the job requirements, reviewing applicants, screening, shortlisting, and selecting the right candidate. The process of recruitment is followed by a step-by-step process like finding out the job vacancies in different departments in different projects, then analyzing the job requirements like understanding the job, then reviewing the applicants, which means sourcing of resumes from different databases, and then screening the resumes, then by shortlisting profiles as per the requirement depends upon the skills and experiences, then finally selecting the candidate by interviewing for the specific position. To increase the efficiency of hiring, it is recommended that the HR team of an organization follow the 5 best practices. These 5 best practices ensure successful recruitment without any interruptions. In addition, these practices also ensure consistency and compliance in the recruitment process. There are 5 best practices which are to be followed in this recruitment process, which helps the hiring in an effective and efficient way. In addition, these practices also helps in ensuring the consistency and compliance of the recruitment process. Recruitment process is the first step in creating a powerful resource base. The process undergoes a systematic procedure starting from sourcing the resources to arranging and conducting interviews and finally selecting the right candidates. As we have discussed, recruitment process plays a crucial role in recruiting and hiring a right candidate. Recruitment is the first step in creating the resource a powerful base. The recruitment process undergoes a systematic procedure as we have already discussed, that is starting from sourcing of profiles and arranging the resources as per the requirement, then conducting interviews, then finally selecting the candidates as per the requirement. So, the recruitment process plays a vital role in systematic and a proper way of recruiting the candidate for a specific project or for a specific department depending upon the requirement of the vacancy for the betterment of the organization to achieve its goals. The 5 best practices are the step-by-step process of recruitment is as follows. Starting with recruitment planning, recruitment strategy, searching the right candidates, screening and shortlisting, then finally evaluation and control. So these are the 5 best practices or step-by-step process of recruitment which need to be followed in a recruitment process for achieving the better results. We will be discussing about each step of recruitment process in detail in the upcoming videos. So dear friends, I hereby conclude that we have understood the process of recruitment and all the steps which are in the process of recruitment and also the best practices that are to be followed for achieving the recruitment process in a better and an effective way. If you like this video, please share among your friends and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.